Thank you for buying this 21940-80 cat art display from Fixture Displays. It's fairly small, about 5 inches tall, 4.6 inches wide. It fits basically anywhere on your desktop, on your mantle, your bookshelf. This is just a lovely cat in a very abstract design and very petite. It's definitely great for any cat lovers. It's about the size of a hand, and it's made from 2 layers of cold-rolled steel, welded on top and spaced out on the very bottom, so it just stands on its own. You can easily mount this on the wall if you so choose. Simply use a couple of screws. Screws are not provided. It's meant to stand on its own. In this 21940 family, there's large selection of different designs. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com. Type in 21940, that will pull up all the items in this family. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com.